Okay, now this is a no-no. Look what I found out. Can you see that? They reused an old O-ring. You do not do that. And now the technician copped out to me that they reused an old O-ring here on this one that was leaking. And now they're having a hard time getting it apart because of the corrosion. And you can see where they nicked the threads, taking it apart. So he might have a really hard time putting this back together. Hopefully he does not cross-thread it, because that would be a bummer. And you see the difference between the aftermarket here? These little aluminum lines are unsupported. And if you look at the OEM, the OEM has this bracket right here, and it holds that. It cannot twist, it cannot move, it cannot bend. Same right here. If you look right here, they have the support bracket. It doesn't, the aftermarket leaves this like sitting out in the wind so it could bend and get broken. So that's the difference between an OEM and aftermarket too. And yes, these are aluminum, they are not copper. I thought these ones would be copper because I've seen copper here. Interesting. So I'm gonna get my O-ring and I'm gonna change this now, since they did not change this, because the last thing I need them to put all this back on again and then have a leak right here. And I will put some nylog on this. Let me make another video. I'll get my nylog, I'll get an O-ring, and we'll do this right.